Oh, guys, welcome. Good to have you here. Now, today we're going to be looking at how to solve audition part problems in Pro Tools. I'm going to give you an advice. Just in case this has not happened to you, one day it will definitely happen to you if you use Pro Tools a lot. Now, so you have to watch keenly and ensure that you understand what I'm teaching here so that when you have this challenge using Pro Tools, you'll definitely be able to surmount it just because you have watched this tutorial. Now, what is audition parts in Pro Tools? Let's take you quickly to, for example, I'll just open up a Pro Tools project. So we look at it and what exactly I'm talking about. I say audition part problem. For example, you have this Pro Tools job you're working on, very fantastic job. You have the instruments lined up, then you have the instrument lined up, and you have all of the tracks. For example, this is the lead vocal here. You have it. You have a number of effects on it, but you just want to audition a certain part of this audio. Now you decide to come here and then, for example, you highlight these very parts of the song. You want to audition these very parts, or you want to treat these very parts. For example, maybe you want to check out, you want to add an equalizer. There's just something wrong about this very part. You feel you want to fix. Doing this in Pro Tools, you simply come to Audio Suite, and then what are we dealing with? Should we go for a reverb? Let's go for a reverb, for example, and then we choose. Let's take one of my very favorite reverb. Let's say Valhalla Shima. Okay, you come down here. Now you have this. Now this reverb is simply going to be added just to this part you have highlighted. Okay. Now in Pro Tools, we refer to this as an audition part. You have to audition this part for you to hear it, okay, because you're not playing the entire song. Now you come here, I haven't brought up this effect here, okay, then you try to click on this very button here to listen to this very part which you have highlighted. I don't know if you get that, okay, so you can know how much of this Valhalla schema you are adding to this very part you have highlighted. So how then do you do this? Click on it to listen to it, okay? Oh, what is this? Now, this is exactly the problem we're trying to solve. It says you need to have a valid audition path in input-output setup to audition. So when you face a challenge like this in Pro Tools, what do you do? How then do you solve this kind of problem? Okay, so if you click, the problem persists. It has not gone because you haven't solved the problem. Let's try it again to listen to it. We can't listen to that very part. So we don't even know what exactly we're doing because we can't hear it, and you can add this effect. So how then do you solve this problem? Just close. We're going to come back to this. Click on setup. All right. Are we following? Okay. All right. Now, when you click on setup, you go to input output. That's your IO. Click on it. Opens up. Your input output opens up in Pro Tools, just as you can see. Come down to your bottom right here. You see the very first one, you have monitor path, output 1. Audition path, it says none. Okay, so by default you should have something there, but just in case you're having that challenge, just come in here, then look for your audition part of your sound card. For example, you have output 1 stereo. Click on it. Okay, now haven't done this, haven't assigned output 1 stereo to you, just come in here and say okay. Click on OK. Now haven't okayed it, let's go back and try to add that effect, the reverb effect. So you come back here, come to your, let's choose our effect again, Valhalla Shema. Now we have to listen to that part. Let's try again. Wow, finally have it. It's playing now, so that we can listen to our audition parts. Okay, we can listen to what exactly we have playing right here in our audition part. So then you can add the reverb, you can tweak, you can send your mix down, and then you see exactly, you know what exactly you have on that channel. Okay, that's just it. So With this quick and very short and brief, straight to point video, I've been able to show you how to correct your audition path in Pro Tools. Just in case you are having that error problem, that is where to go to. Simply click on your setup, go to your input output. As I've said before, come down to your right bottom here. You see the audition path here. Just click and then put in your output, say okay, and then you'll be fine. Okay. Thank you guys for being part of this. Don't forget, one way we keep turning out videos is by your subscription and your likes. And of course, if you have comments and you have questions, let us know your challenges so we can make videos to correct all of this. Now, I have another video coming up shortly. That's as an answer to one of the questions I got on my previous videos. Guys, stick around and be part of this big family. We love you from NoiseGate Media. Thank you.